Most men think TRT is the only way to fix low testosterone in 2026. But before you commit to a life of needles, you need to understand the difference because one of these options could permanently shut down your natural system. TRT literally replaces your natural production. It works, but here's the catch. It shuts down your body's ability to make its own, often leading to infertility and shrinking your natural function. Then there's Enclomiphene. Unlike TRT, this isn't a replacement. It's a signal to your brain to restart your own natural production. You get the energy, the focus, and the muscle without the needles or the shutdown. TRT is for when your factory is permanently broken. However, Enclomiphene is for when your factory just needs a new manager. Why choose lifelong dependency on a needle when you can optimize what your body was already built to do? However, the decision between these two options remain a matter of strategic priority. Both provide the necessary medical access, but their methodologies for long-term optimization differ significantly.